So hi everyone, so welcome back to another video for the third day English the challenging. So in this video we talk about the hobbies, like how we are our own hobby, the following, like what are you doing in your free time. So yeah, you can share, and that is useful for like what are you doing, like you are playing the some of things or you reading or some kind of thinking. So today we talk about my hobby. So yeah guys, so when I'm free I am the some of the learning the how to say some of the program language. I am learning the problem solving and like that way. And also even I am in my childhood or the some of time I'm thinking that time I'm playing the cricket and volleyball and football. The most of time I'm spending with those kind of the things. I am not the study well during that time, so but it is fine. Now I'm thinking so yeah, this is my hobby for like that way. And also I mentioned I'm reading books. So the psychology of money and the mindset. So it is a book. It is the really good for what you mean the understanding for your English and also your mindset how is the important. And also I read that one of the books, so I will surely the recommend it for you. Think state. So it is the useful for how you think for the state. Like if you the overthinking in your mind, so it is the confusing for your everything. So I could recommend it for you. You go and read that book. That is a really helpful for how will you our the manage our thinking, our thought process, how we should express to the someone. It is a key, guys. Like I'm also the following those kind of the stuff they're doing. I'm also yearly. I'm not speak very well, but you can see my YouTube channels. You go and watch the first or second video. I am not fluent at English. I am slowly speaking English. I suck some of time, so now you can see the compared to the day, I definitely improve myself because of I am speaking the fluent. I can share my thoughts. So yeah, these are the I could recommended. And also yeah, I'm also the watching some of the videos and the games. I'm also playing there. Yeah, it is a fine because of everyone. You feel the need the games or the like that way. So yeah, guys. So this is my small hobby. So if you understanding my hobbies, so please put me in the comment section. So understand my your hobby or the like that way. So if you're interested, share your hobby. What are you doing in your free time? So share those in the comment section. Yeah, surely I saw it. So it is really interesting for me. And also I mentioned you practice need for the everyone like at least the 5 to 10 minutes. So it is the learning the process. It is a key for the everyone guys. Don't wait for the perfect time. It is a never game because of I am also waiting for so many time. Because of I take my decision for discipline myself. Yeah, we should do that. So because of I'm not the becoming a YouTuber or like that way. I need the confidence that only main reason I am taking my videos under the documentary my lessons. Okay guys, so thanks for the watching. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. So if you giving myself giving the support, I boost my the confidence and I regularly upload my YouTube videos or something. Okay, we're gonna see next video. So don't forget to like and share.